video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 6 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. Here, B's are decreasing line by line and A's are increasing line by line. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6 condition false and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use nested while loop with a variable j, nested while j less than 6. At the end of nested while, increase j value by 1. Print b separated with single space character. Outside this nested while, we are going to use print method to begin from new line. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. Now to print a, we are going to use a variable L with 0 value and list k appended with L value. If j value is available inside k, then print a separated with single space character, else print b. Outside the nested while, increase L value by 1 and append a value in list. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. This is our expected alphabet square pattern.